Hello, myself Kumar Pranjal Tripathi, a student of BTech first year at IT Kharagpur. This is my project for the input of 3D printers. Basically, this designing for input given to the 3D printers. The first one here you can see is a keyring that I've made using the loft constraint, loft option that I've used to prepare this keyring. What we are supposed to do first off, in the FreeCAD software we are supposed to open it and then click on this create a new part, then go to the sketch option, and then we are supposed to choose the axis. As we choose the axis, see, you can see here I have created, it's already chosen. Now here you are supposed to use this rectangle constraint at the bottom, middle, top, and a small one over here and small one over here. You can see all the constraints that are already involved in making a rectangle. It's given over here. After that, choosing the rectangular constraint, you can go back and then you are supposed to make the copies, and then you're supposed to use this loft option to join and make this entire figure. And after that, just go to this part option, they bring this torus ring into action. It will be present over here. Then go to the attachment file, select the placements, see the position. It should be at the z axis at of 125 mm, which I have placed over here. You can see it. Not in this, at the placement, wait, the torus, yes, you can see the placement. The position is 125 mm, and then on the x-axis, y-axis, you can adjust it by itself. And this way a pretty looking keyring will be available. You can create it very easily. The next project is basically on using the pad option. This is a pen stand, mainly hexagonal cross six. From the top view is a hexagon you can see. So how you are supposed to make it? Again, open the software, then first create a new file, then create a new part. Select the sketch option, not over here in the part designing module. You are supposed to select the sketch option. After that, selecting the sketch option, so many options will be available. One among them will be to make the hexagon. So just open it and make a hexagon and adjust its length. Most important, it's adjust its length. Then go to the, then close the bar, just like I can show you. First select the plane and open it. Now this is the hexagon option. Draw it, select the constraint, close it, go back to this place, and then use this pad option. By using the pad option, it will get thicker. A thickness will be given to it. Again, you are supposed to make another hexagon but bigger in size. You can see this. Again, you use the same pad option, but this time the thickness should be approximately the length. This is 100 mm. That was the smaller one was 5 mm. After that, you are supposed to go to this draft of part option and select this cube, insert it, and then one cube and adjust it so that it will be over here at the intersection point of this present over here. Then select it, and this time you are supposed to go to this draft option finally here to make an array. Array must be polar or orthogonal. In any manner you can make. After making the array, it's important, again go to this part option, control body, then control array, and then make a cut out of the body, and finally you will get this pretty looking pen stand. So this was the second project, and the third was basically the use of B spline option and the revolve option. So in this, when I open it, the part design module, see the sketch option, I get the plane, and when I open it, see, on the axis you can see fit to view. See, the axis is here. First of all, select this, create a polyline, then make in the horizontal, vertical, and this is small one. Then after that you are supposed to select this B spline curve, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then join these 2 points by using the coincident constraint. So these constraint you are supposed to use very wisely. After that, points will be created, adjust it, and then you will get a pretty looking curve like structure. And finally then close this, come back, select the module, select this body, and then just use this revolve option, and this structure will be created. I just delete it from here. So this structure will be created, and after this use the select the side which you want to make thicker, and then use this thickness option. So this thickness will be provided, and this way a pretty looking flower pot basically will be available. You can see it fit to you. This will be available. So this was all about my project on the input that I'm supposed to give to the 3D printers. So thank you.